In today's fast-paced world, the concept of detoxing has become more relevant than ever. But detoxing isn't just about a quick fix. It's about embracing a lifestyle that keeps your mind and body clear of toxins. Detoxing is not a one-time event but a way of living. It involves consistently remaining in a detox state and not adding toxins back into the body. Here's a simple guide to help you detox your life step by step. Number 1. Understanding the mind-gut connection. There is a strong connection between the gut and the mind. Stress or anxiety can have a negative impact on gut health, and vice versa. The link between our gut and our mind is undeniable. Stress and anxiety can wreak havoc on our gut health, leading to a host of issues. Conversely, a troubled gut can send signals to the brain, causing stress or anxiety. This cycle can be hard to break, especially if we've grown used to the discomfort. Number 2. Eating your way to a calmer mind. Sometimes, it's easier to start with changing our diet than our mindset. Incorporating whole foods, rich in fiber, and packed with nutrients can have a profound effect on our gut health, which in turn can soothe our mind. Number 3. Controlling our thoughts. We may not have control over the air we breathe, or the water we drink, but we do have control over our thoughts. By choosing positivity and gratitude, we can maintain a high-vibrational mindset that benefits both our mental and physical health. Number 4. Creating positive energy. Our thoughts and words have power. They can create an energy that impacts not only ourselves but also those around us. The mind is the only thing completely under our control, and maintaining a positive, high-vibrational mindset can positively impact both our mental and physical health. We have the power to create positive energy through our thoughts and words, which in turn can affect our environment and those around us. To create high-vibrational energy at home, we should focus on positive and pure thoughts, using high-energy words and affirmations, and maintaining a clean, organized living space. Number 5. Organizing your space for a clearer mind. A cluttered space can lead to a cluttered mind. Keeping our living spaces clean and organized can help in maintaining a detox state of mind, making it easier to focus on positive thoughts and actions. Number 6. Changing mindset to combat lifestyle diseases. Stress, anxiety, and depression can often be the result of negative thought patterns. By working to change these patterns, we can improve our overall health and well-being, leading to a happier, more fulfilled life. Lifestyle diseases such as stress, anxiety, and depression are heavily influenced by our mindset and thought patterns, and changing these patterns can help improve our overall health and well-being. Remember, detoxing your mind and body is a continuous journey, not a destination. By making small, consistent changes, you can enjoy a clearer mind and a healthier body. Start today, and embrace the detox life you deserve.